The reaction of aniline with concentrated nitric acid and concentration sulfuric acid in strongly acidic medium will produce 47 percentage of 47 percentage which compound will obtained. Originally aniline is an aromatic amine. It has one lone pair on nitrogen. In acidic medium with proton, it produces anilinium ion, and anilinium ion is a ring deactivating group. In nitration reaction, the electrophile to the ring deactivating group substituted at a meta position. So it is the 47 percentage of the compound. So meta nitro is correct one. The decreasing order of basicity of the compound, decreasing order of basicity. Benzenamine is an aniline. Phenylmethylamine is a benzylamine. And NN-dimethylamine is a tertiary amine with aromatic. N-methylamine is also having aromatic ring. And ethylamine is a aliphatic amine. Ethylamine. So in this given compound, it is an aromatic, it is also aromatic, it is also aromatic, and it is considered as aliphatic, and it is also aliphatic. Compared to aromatic, aliphatic is more basic. In aliphatic, ethylamine is more basic. So in C, E is the more one, and among the remaining, phenyl methanamine is the most basic. Answer is 3. Identify the correct statement. Primary amines do not form diazonium salt. Wrong statement. Primary amines can form. Aliphatic primary aromatic primary amines on heating with chloroform NaOH forms carbylamine. It is a true statement, and that is a isocyanide test. So in the options, B must be presented, A is not one. Secondary and tertiary amines also gives carbylamine. It is a wrong statement, so C is wrong, then answer option A. In this reaction, the given one is an amide. Amide are reduces to amines with lithium aluminum hydride. So option 4. Boiling point order. So it is a OH, NH, NH. All these three compounds having a intermolecular hydrogen bond. Its boiling point is highest. So C has no hydrogen bond. So it has a low boiling point. So select option C is least one. After that, OH and NH. OH forms a strong intermolecular hydrogen bond, hence its boiling point is highest. So C is least, A is highest. 3. An organic compound with molecular formula with dilute HCl releases N2 with HNO2. It indicates the primary amine. So it is a primary, it is also a primary amine, it is also primary, it is also primary. Given optically active alcohol, so it has a chiral center, and it is also having chiral center, it is also having chiral center, it is also having a chiral center. Alkane produces active alcohol. Alcohol on oxidation gives dicarboxylic acid. It produces monocarboxylic acid, and it is produces dicarboxylic acid. These two groups are oxidized dicarboxylic. The two carbons are oxidized to dicarboxylic. So the given option is present in 2, 3, 4. On heating with anhydride, the organic compound, so option C only produces anhydride. Then final reaction is take option C. It is the compound with HNO2. This compound produces amine part is converted to alcohol. and it is a chiral center optically active. On oxidation with KMnO4, benzyl hydrogen containing part and alcoholic part both are converted to carboxylic acid, which on heating produces N-hydride. It is on heating gives the compound N-hydride. So it is the structure. It is an amide with NaOH and Br2 Hofmann bromide dehydration. It gives amines. Amides to amine reaction at para position methyl, and it is react with the acid halide involved in nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then the product containing this one amide structure, diphenylamide. To this diphenylamide, one phenyl ring has a methyl group only. Option C. NaOH-Br2 Hofmann bromide dehydration. With Hofmann bromide dehydration, amides are converted to amines. Compared to X and A, carbon is decreasing. Then in product A, percentage of nitrogen will increasing. Total number of amines which can synthesized by Gabriel thalamide. In Gabriel thalamide, only primary amines aliphatic can be prepared. It is a primary, it is also primary, it is also primary, it is also primary, but it is an aromatic amine. We cannot prepare. Total 3. 60% of P indicates 0.06. The amount of Q obtained 18.6 ml, whose density is 1 gram per millimeter, indicates its weight is 18.6 grams. And number of moles is equal to 18.6 divided by aniline molar mass 93, that is 0.2. And the final product obtained in this compound is 1,2 dibromo. So the mass of the Q will be, percentage yield is 0.6 into 18.6 into its molar mass 232. It is nearly equal to 28.3 or 4. The most basic compound will be ethylamine in the given option. When ethylamine, when react with HCl, it produces a salt. In that salt, 1 mole of ethylamine will react with 1 mole of HCl. Then 0.9 grams of the compound will produce dash milligrams of HCl. So for the 0.4 grams divided by 45, it is 1 by 50. So with respect to 1:1 mole, HCl also required 1 by 50 moles, and its molar mass is 36.5. Hence its value is 0.73. In converting of milligrams, 730 milligrams of the compound is obtained.